the
Yes,
composition of function, um, as well operation on function,
yes.
and uh, and evaluation of function at the given point. I think. Yep.
Great, excellent. Anyone else? What we covered in previous lecture? So, okay, guys. Yes, it was operation on function, evaluation of function at a point, and composition of function. And we discussed the idea of composition, what means composition, mixing two functions. Uh, okay, I will solve two questions of composition from as a review from previous lecture. Then we will discuss our new lecture. So we have composition, and you all know that. And next class you have quiz number first. I will try today, inshallah, to upload some practice question like a sample quiz for you, so then you can prepare like that one. But okay, composition and these are very important, so I will solve composition question. Like your previous lecture and today's lecture, there must be some question from these two. Same previous also important, but these are very important. So, composition of function, mixing of two function, we have two function given like f of x is equal to 2x minus 1, g of x is equal to x square minus 4. First of all, find composition f with g. So f with g, f with g composition. So what is f with g composition? Actually, write down first function 2x minus 1 f function. Then replace x with total g function. Like if we replace 2 and x with what? X square minus 4 and minus 1. This is actually value of x. So 2 into x square equal to 2 x square, 2 into 4 equal to what? 2 4 the 8, and we have minus 1. It means 2 x square minus 9, because minus 8 minus 1 equal to minus 9. Now we have f composition with g is equal to 2x square minus 9. Okay, next one, C part, you can see F composition with G, but when X is 2. So same you can replace X here too, like F of G composition of 2. So we have 2 and X replaced with 2. So 2 square minus 9. This means that 2 multiplied with 4 and minus 9. So 2 fours are actually 8 minus 9. So equal to what? 8 minus 9 is equal to minus 1. Composition of F with G. Same composition of G with F. So let me solve one example from G with F. Second part, you can see B part. We need to find G composition with F. So same, first of all, write down g function. We have g function x square minus 4. And then replace x with f function. We have f function 2x minus 1. So this we have 2x minus 1 whole square. And we have minus 4 outside. Now this is formula. You know that a square minus b, yeah, a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So expand this formula. We have 2x square, like this is a square minus 2 multiply with a, where a is 2x, multiply with b is 1, and we have also 1 square. This is like b square minus 4. So when you simplify this one, equal to 4x square. This one, if you multiply all these three, so equal to 4x, and plus we have 1 minus 4. Simplify this one, 4x square minus 4x and minus 3, because plus 1 minus 4 equal to minus 3. So this is composition of G with F, second part. You can also replace x with 2, G composition with F, and replace x with 2. So when you replace this one, let me solve here. We have 4, x square means 2 square, minus 4 multiply with 2 minus 3. So 4, 2 square is actually 4 minus 8 minus 3. So 4 4s are 16 minus 8 minus 3 equal to minus 11. So 16 minus 11 equal to what? 16 minus 11 is equal to 5. Composition and then replace composition at a point like value giving 2, 3, 4 values. Yes, this was a review. If there is any question, I can explain again, I can solve again. Yes, any question regarding composition?
Excuse me, Professor, can you please explain the red one, the first question?
Okay. Uh, yes, I can explain. First one, again listen. F of g of x. So write down f of g of x, and then we need what? First function. First one is f. So write down f function. We have 2x minus 1. This is f function. Replace with g, yeah, x. Replace with g function, and we know that g is equal to x square minus 4. So replacing 2 and x by x square minus 4, and we have what? We have minus 1. So we just replace x with total function g function, and g of x is equal to x minus 4, x square minus 4. 2 multiply with x square, 2x square. 2 multiply with minus 4, 8. And we have minus 1 outside. So we have 2x square minus 8 minus 1 equal to minus 9. This is composition. If you want to replace with value, so you can replace x by any value, giving 2 value, 3 value. Clear, miss? Or should I explain again?
No, Professor, it's clear. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay. Anyone else?
Sir, may I have a question, please?
Yes, yes.
Sir, in number C, letter C, we have g of f(x). When we want to spread out or improve the 2x minus 1 whole square, do we consider the minus for 1 also?
You are talking about this one, like x square minus, no, you mean this one, 2x minus 1, 2x
Yeah, whole
minus,
square.
okay, 2x minus 1. So we have formula. The formula is a square. No, we will not consider minus for 1. We have formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. But this b will be 1, not minus 1.
Clear, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Any other question? Okay. So now next one, this is like fraction, a difficult one, composition of a function. We have g of x and f of x. So how we can find g composition with f or f composition with g? Let's suppose g composition with x, g of f of x. So first of all, write down first function. What we have here? G. So we have g function 8 plus 9x divided by 2. Then replace x by f function. We know that f function is 5x minus 9 divided by 2. So we have 8 plus 9 and x replaced by 5x minus 9 divided by 2. And we have whole divided by 2. So whole divided by 2. Yes, so simplify now this one. We have fraction over fraction. So first we need to find LCM. Like we have 8 plus 9 multiply with 5 equal to 45x. And 9 multiply with minus 9 equal to 81. Whole divided by 2. Then again over 2. Okay, now actually 8 denominator is 1. So we need to find a coefficient for that. So There are many methods like factorization, many methods. If we take the coefficient is 2, like if we have coefficient 2, sorry, denominator like LCM is 2, so 1 divided by 2 equal to what? 1 divided by 2 equal to 2. Then 2 multiplied with 8 equal to 16 minus this 2 divided by 2 equal to 1, and 1 multiplied with 45x minus 81 same equal to 45x minus 81, then again whole divided by 2. If we have fraction like x divided by y and whole like a divided by b, so then we multiply, yes, numerator with denominator of second. First, या दूर बदूर in नजदीक व नजदीक in very you can say. So we have this function 16 plus 45x minus 81 divided by, simply you can multiply 2 with 2. So 2 with 2 equal to what? 2 with 2 is equal to 4. Now simplify this one. 45x plus 16 minus 81 plus 16 minus 81, I think 68. So 68 divided by 4. 45x minus 68 divided by 4 is the composition of G with F. Okay, give me 1 minute. Okay, sorry. Yes, 65, 68. Okay, 65. Maybe this is 65. Okay, 65. So 65 divided by 4. This is an example of composition. If you can simplify, simplify. If not, so this is the final answer for composition of two functions. Uh, any question in this one? Should I explain again? If you have any question, I can explain again. If not,
Yes,
then
sir. Could you explain it again? Sorry.
It's clear, sir.
should I explain again?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 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 don't worry. We have 8 plus 9x, G and F. Okay, I want to find G composition with F. G composition with F. First of all, write down G function 8 plus 9x divided by 2. Now replace x with what? F function. So we have 8 plus 9 and replace x with f function. We know that f function is 5x minus 9 divided by what? Divided by 2. Whole divided by what? Whole divided by 2. Okay, now 8 plus 9 multiply with 5. So 9 multiply 5 actually equal to 45. Minus 9 multiply with 9 equal to 81. Yes, and divided by 2. And this is actually whole divided by 2. Now you know that we don't have a proper denominator for 8. So we need actually to find the LCM of 8 with 45x minus 81. You can find this one. If not, then you can do like you can also divide. Like if for your simplicity, if you write the 8 plus, and if you divide 45 by 2 and also 81 by 2. So 45 divided by 2 equal to what? Yes, 22.5 into x minus, if you divide 81 by 2 equal to what? This is actually 40.5 and whole then divided by 2. This is without finding the LCM. We divide just 45 by 2 and also 81 by 2 because this 2 is for both. This is for 45 and this one is also for 81. Now we have 22.5x. We have 40.5 and this one is plus 8. So what will be the result? Result will be minus 32.5. When you subtract 40.5 plus from 8, then divided by 2. This is also a final result, 25.5. Okay, if you want to find the LCM, now I will take the LCM now here, by method of LCM. We have 8 plus 45x minus 88, 81 divided by 2. If we take the LCM for the first portion, for this one, just for this portion, LCM. If we take LCM is 2, now we have denominator 1. So divide 2 by 1 equal to 2. When you divide 2 by 1, so 1 2s are equal to 2. Result is 2. And multiply 2 with 8. So 2 with 8 equal to 16. Plus 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. And 1 multiply with 45x minus 81. So this will be 45x minus 81 divided by 2, and we have this 2 as well, so whole divided by 2, again divided by 2. Now simply 2 multiply with 2, or if you want to write in the form of fraction over fraction, so then you can write in this way. Let me write. Also divided by 1. 16 plus 48 minus 18 divided by 2. This is whole fraction divided by 2 by 1. So how you can do? Dur badur, like this multiply with 1 and nazdik wa nazdik 2 multiply with 2. So we have first of all 16 minus 45x minus 81, because just multiply with 1, so there will be no change. Divided by 2 multiply with 2, 2 multiply with 2 equal to 4. If you simplify this one, plus 45. So we have same formula, 45x minus 81 divided by 4. This is also the final answer. This is divided by 4, this one divided by 2, because we divide firstly by 2. Clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Actually, if you have problem, I can explain this one again and again 10 times. Don't worry. Should I explain? Yes?
Thank you, sir. No,
Okay.
it's clear.
Okay, thank you. Now, we have domain of a function. This is our new topic. How we can find domain? You know that we have domain and range. What is domain and what is range? If function is given, how we can find the domain of that function? Like you know that we have equation y is equal to 4x plus 1. So all x values called domain of function. Yeah, you can say that actually set of input values. Y actually range, and range means set of output values. Set of output values. So when function is given, so how we can find domain of that function and how we can find range. But for now we will just find the domain. Next topic, then we will find also the range of a function. For example, you know that y is equal to 4x plus 1. So if we give any value like from minus infinity till plus infinity, this will give us some value, like starting from 1. So when x is equal to 1 here, let me write table here, x and y. When x is 1, so what is the value of y? 4 multiplied with 1 plus 1 equal to what? 5. When x is equal to 2, so 4 2s are 8 plus 1 equal to 9. When x is equal to 3, so 4 3s are plus 1 equal to what?
13.
Yes, 13. So if you are moving toward plus infinity, this will give you some value. And it will, for example, for all positive value, this there will be an output value. Same if we give negative values x and y. X is equal to, let's suppose 0, or you can start from minus 1, let's suppose 0. So when x is 0, 4 multiplied with 0 plus 1 equal to 1. When x is equal to minus 1, so 4 multiplied with minus 1 plus 1. This means minus 4 plus 1 equal to minus 3.
-3.
Yes, when you give x is equal to minus 2, so this will give you 4 multiply with minus 2 and plus 1. Minus 8 plus 1 equal to minus 7. When you give x is equal to minus 3, you will receive minus 11. Minus 4 minus 15. So same, if you give any negative value, there will be some output. So we can say that domain function for y is equal to 4x plus 1. Your domain set is from minus infinity till plus infinity. Because sorry, okay, if you give any value from minus to till plus infinity, there will be some output value. So domain function of 4x plus 1 is all real numbers. Domain is equal to all real numbers. Yeah, you can say from minus infinity till plus infinity. Okay, like if we have this function 1 over x minus 4, what will be the domain function for this? So you can see here, same if we draw graph x and y, table for x and y. First of all, if you give x is equal to 0, let's suppose positive values, 0. So 1 over 0 minus 4. 1 over 0 minus 4 means 1 over minus 4, and 1 over minus 4 is equal to minus 0.25. So result is minus 0.25. Same if you give x is equal to 1. So what will be this function? 1 over 1 minus 4. And 1 over 1 minus 4 means 1 over minus 3. This will be like minus 0.33. So the range will be 0.33 but minus 3. Same if you give x is equal to 2 value. So function will be f of 2 equal to 1 over 2 minus 4, and 1 over 2 minus 4 means 1 over minus 2, and 1 over minus 2 means 0.5, minus 0.5. We have some output value. Same if you give x is equal to 3, so what will be this function? F of 3 is equal to 1 over 3 minus 4, and 3 minus 4 means minus 1. So 1 over minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 here. But if you give x is equal to 4, what will happen? 1 over, yeah, f of 4 is equal to 1 over 4 minus 4. 1 over 4 minus 4 equal to 0, and
Infinity.
infinity. Infinity means undefined something, undefined quantity. Undefined means we don't know, is this number a positive number, negative number, or 0. So we can give all values like 1, 2, 3, then 5, 6, 7, 8, but we cannot give 4 to this function, because if we give 4, so the output value we don't know, output is undefined quantity. Same if we give 5, like, so f of 5 is equal to 1 over 5 minus 4, and 1 over 5 minus 4 means 1 over 1 equal to 1. Same you can give if a 6 value. So 1 over 6 minus 4 and 1 over 6 minus 4 means 1 over 2, 0.5. This actually domains mean the acceptable values. So all values are acceptable to this function, here to this function, except one value, and that is minus 4 value. So we can say that domain function for this f of x 1 over x minus 4, all real numbers except one value, and that is 4. 4 is not allowed to give to this function. These are not allowable values. So domain function are real numbers except one value, that is 4, because at 4 that function is not defined. So domain function real number minus 4. Clear guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Well done. Okay. If we have this function y is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4 divided by x plus 1. Now we have numerator and also denominator. But first try if you can simplify. If not, so then you can find the domain. First let me try and I can factorize this one. We have a numerator x square minus 3x minus 4. Can we factorize this one? What is the method of factorization? If we give first x square, this is a, second b and c, let's suppose c. So a, b, c. First of all rule is a multiply with c. First number multiply with last number. Last number is 4 multiply with x square equal to minus 4x square. What is b here? Actually b is equal to minus 3x. Now for factorization we need two numbers. When you multiply equals minus 4x square. When you add these equals what? Minus 3x. Two numbers, their multiplication is minus 4 but their addition is minus 3. So what are these numbers? Can we give values like
-4 and
yes,
1.
excellent. Yes, excellent. Minus 4x in x, or you can say that minus 4 with 1. When you multiply, this is minus 4. But when you add minus 4 plus 1, this will give you minus 3. Correct? So now you can factorize because we have two numbers, minus 4x plus x. Can we write that we have x square minus 4x plus x minus 4. We factorize 3x and we write minus 4x plus x instead of minus 3x. Now taken common in first pair and taken common in last pair. What we have common in first? So x is common. We have x square minus 4x. So if we take x common, we have 1x minus 4. Again, if you multiply x with x, x square. X with 4 equal to 4x. Now in second pair, x minus 4, we don't have common. When we don't have common, so we take 1 as a common. So we take 1 common and we have x minus 4. Again, if you multiply 1 with x, x. 1 with 4, same 4. Now again, x minus 4, these are common. So x minus 4 is a common, these two. We take 1 common, remaining x with plus 1. So x with plus 1. Now these are actually the factor form of x square minus 3x minus 4, x minus 4 and x plus 4. So we can write y is equal to x minus 4 and x plus 1 divided by what? Divided by x plus 1. If this meeting ends, then you can join again the same link. So now you cancel x plus 1 with x plus 1 and our last result is x minus 4. Now what are the what is the actually the domain of this function?